Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. 40% Ethereum POS nodes are controlled by two addresses, says Sentiment Data. Data released hours after the merge prompted concerns about the alleged centralization of POS. Analysis from Sentiment indicates that 46.15% of Ethereum's POS nodes are controlled by only two addresses. Hours after the merge, the first address has validated about 188 blocks or 28.97% of the nodes, and the second has validated 16.18% or 105 blocks. On Twitter, the data became a controversial topic as users debated about the impacts of the merge on centralization for the largest network in the world. Ahead of the merge, the blockchain analytics platform Nansen released a report showing five entities holding 64% of all stake Ether, with Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance accounting for nearly 30% of staked ETH. Reports also showed that the majority of 5,065 active Ethereum nodes are in the hands of centralized web service providers like Amazon Web Services or AWS. Since the successful completion of the merge, the majority of the blocks show somewhere around 40% or more have been built by two addresses belonging to Lido and Coinbase. It isn't ideal to see more than 40% of block being settled by two providers, particularly one that is a centrally service provider, Coinbase, explained Ryan Rasmussen, crypto research analyst a bit with. He POS is often believed to lead to centralization since it favors those with a higher token supply over those with lower amounts. As an example, the new consensus mechanism in the Ethereum blockchain relies on validators, not miners, to verify transactions. To run a validator and be rewarded, participants must stake 32 ETH, which is equivalent to roughly 48.225 at price time. For supporters, however, argue that the mechanism is more secure and eco-friendly than POW. Ethereum CEO founder Vitalik Buterin has predicted that the transition will not only bring down the energy consumption by around 95% but also help scale the network, with the transaction processing expected to get on par with centralized payments processors, features that are expected to take place in the second half of 23. According to our Ethereum post-merge inflation dashboard, 46.15% of the proof-of-stake nodes are storing data processing transaction, and adding new blockchain blocks can be attributed to just two addresses. This heavy dominance by these addresses is something to watch. This isn't ideal, however, I think Lido will struggle to maintain this market share as more staking service providers and competitors of Lido enter the space and solutions like Rocket Pool become more popular. And seller underscored the high maintenance cost and takes link with owning and inheriting physical property over the long term, which in the case of Bitcoin does not exist. MicroStrategy CEO and Bitcoin BTC advocate Michael Saylor doubled down on his support for Bitcoin as he explained the issues related to transferring the value of physical properties such as gold, company stocks, or equity and real estate during the Australian Crypto Convention. Speaking about Speaking about the underlying proof of work (POW) consensus mechanism, Saylor highlighted the Bitcoin is backed by $20 billion worth of property, meaning hardware, and $20 billion worth of energy. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.